Good morning, Cappuccino. Here is your warm-up for today, May 11th, Monday. I hope your families had a nice Mother's Day. Mine was super nice. My boys were really good to me, so it was a really nice day. I hope you had a good weekend and a good Dia de las Madres con su mamá. Okay, here we go. We have an equation, y equals 1/2 x plus 3. We're going to complete the table. Then we're going to plot the points, we're going to find the slope, and we're going to find the y-intercept. So, just like we did last week, we're going to put parentheses where the x is, and we're going to substitute our x value for x. So I gave myself a little bit of room here to work, not very much though. Y equals 1/2 parentheses -2 plus 3. All right, so we have a fraction times a whole number, so we can do it the Alex or the Morgan way. So it's up to you. I think I'll go ahead and just do the Morgan way, which is I multiply the tops. Okay, so 1 times -2 is -2, and then I have the 2 on the bottom, plus 3. Okay, so I did 1 times -2. Okay, if you're not happy with that, you can say, well, how do I make this a fraction? I make it a fraction by putting it over 1. Then I'm just multiplying the top numbers. 1 times -2 is -2. 2 times 1 is 2. Now I can reduce this. -2 divided by 2 is -1. -1 plus 3 gives me +2. I have more positives than negatives, so +2. Okay, the next one, I'm going to make my x value 0. So y equals 1/2 parentheses, okay, there's my 1/2 parentheses 0 plus 3. Well, this one's a lot easier, because what's 1/2 times 0? Just 0. So when you multiply by 0, that just goes away. What's left? +3. So that one's just 3. That one was simple. Okay, the last one, y equals, so let me put a little line here. I'm doing the last one. Y equals 1/2 parentheses 2 plus 3. Okay, oh, this is a lot like the first one. I can put a 1 on the bottom. 1 times 2 is 2. On the bottom, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So y equals 1 plus 3, which gives me 4. So there's 4. Okay, so now I'm going to plot my points. So I'm going to grab, oh, can't find my red pen. Oh, we'll use purple. So I'm going to plot -2, 2. So here's my x-axis. So -2 is to the left. I'm counting the lines, or the spaces. I'm going 2 spaces to the left, 2 spaces to the left. 1, 2, and then up 2. 1, 2. There's the point, -2, 2. 2 spaces to the left, 1, 2, and 2 spaces up, 1, 2. Using my graph paper, okay? Make sure you're using your graph paper. Next point, 0, 3. 0 on the x, and then the y is positive, so up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the last point, 2 and 4. So 2 to the right, 2 spaces to the right, 1, 2, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there it is. I can now connect my points to make a line. Use my pencil. My pen is a little thick. There we go. So there's my line, and I could have kept going. I could have used more points, so I'm going to put arrows on the end. Find the slope. Okay, I want to make my slope triangle. I'm going to make a triangle. Un triángulo con las puntos. So it doesn't matter which 2 I use. I'm going to go up and then over. My rise, I'm going to rise and then run. There's my slope triangle. So how far did I rise? How many spaces? 1. My rise is equal to 1. And how far did I change to the right? 1, 2. My run is 2. So now when I write my slope, we use the letter M. M for slope. M is equal to rise over run. And I got 1 over 2. Isn't that interesting? Where else have we seen 1 over 2? Oh, what do you know? Very interesting. Okay, let's find the y-intercept. So remember, the y-intercept is where the y-axis meets the line. Where does it meet the line? I'm looking. Bam! Right there. There is my y-intercept. So my y-intercept is right here. That point right there, that is my y-intercept. So what number is that? What number is that? Well, how far up do I have to go to get there? 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces up. 1, 2, 3. So my y-intercept is at 3. Y equals 3. Have we seen that number somewhere before? Oh, very interesting. The slope? Oh, so very interesting. Okay, do you see what's going on here? I wonder if you saw what was happening on Friday. Notice here is my slope. That's my slope. And here is my y-intercept. Wow. Math. It is like magic. Okay, now you repeat the magic without me. You do this problem. This is for you to do. And go ahead and complete the table. I left you some room to work. Plot the points, find the slope, and find the y-intercept. Okay, have a lovely day. When you're done with the math space, there's assignment number 30 in math space. When you're done with the warm-up, go to math space for assignment number 30. All right, take care. See you tomorrow at office hours. Bye-bye.